the most wonderful time of the year, and let's celebrate with dark chocolate truffles. They're easy to make, super chocolatey and delicious, and the absolute perfect dessert for your next holiday gathering. Just 4 simple ingredients to go into this decadent treat: heavy cream, bittersweet chocolate finely chopped, softened butter, dipping chocolate of your choice. The first step is to heat the cream just until it comes to a boil. Then add the chopped bittersweet chocolate, remove it from the heat. Next, stir in the butter until the mixture is smooth and velvety, then transfer to a bowl. Before we move any further, we need to let this sit. Cover with plastic wrap and make sure the plastic is touching the surface of the ganache. In the fridge it goes for at least 1 hour or overnight. It's been a few hours, so it's time to scoop and make the truffles. Using a melon baller, scoop the ganache into a ball and place onto a wax paper lined baking sheet. All right, the last thing to do is to cover the truffles in our melted chocolate. But before we do that, we need to let the chocolate balls sit in the refrigerator or the freezer for another hour. And when you're ready, go ahead, dip the truffles in your chocolate. You can also use white chocolate to swirl and vice versa. Let them harden before you serve. I think I'll have one right now. So creamy and smooth. You enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.